Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? So today we are going to make my most loved and most appreciated recipe, mango mousse. It is no gelatin mango mousse and just 4 ingredients, and it's for around 20 people. So let's get started. So to begin with, I'm taking 1 can of condensed milk. It's 14 ounce or 15 ounce. Any store bought condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. And to that, I'm going to add my sour cream. It's again 16 ounce container of sour cream. Usually I take full fat or whole milk sour cream, and I'm going to just whip it together very carefully. The beauty of this mango mousse is, even if it's left over, you can just freeze it. It freezes beautifully and you can eat it as an ice cream. You can freeze it for 7 to 8 hours and you can just use it as your ice cream the next day, and it tastes awesome. In refrigerator also, it remains really good for around 10 to 15 days. So you don't need to worry like why I have to make so much of it. And since we have the summer break right now, this is my kids' favorite recipe or favorite dessert post lunch or dinner. Now you can see it's soft and nice, creamy. To that, I'm going to add 16 ounce of Cool Whip. So this is a store brand, so it says whipped topping. So if it's light or if it's normal full fat, it doesn't make any difference. So whichever is available in your store, just buy that. This is 1 8 ounce of container, so I'm going to add 2 of them. If you find 1 16 ounce container, it's more economical, so you can buy 1 of them. You can see how soft and creamy it is. Once you add this, the Cool Whip, don't stir it vigorously. We just have to fold it. We cannot be moving it vigorously, because what happens is the Cool Whip will start oozing water, and obviously you don't want runny mango mousse, so that is not good. So this is called as cut and fold method. You can see I'm not vigorously stirring it. And to that, I'm adding 1 full container of mango mousse. I'm sorry, Kesar mango pulp. You can just buy any mango pulp available in your grocery store. It is 30 ounce container, and I'm just keeping maybe couple of tablespoons of mango pulp. So we are going to use it for garnishing. Now I'm going to just fold it together once again. Right now you can see it's little bit runny, but what happens is once you keep it in the refrigerator, it becomes semi-solid. It's soft, nice and creamy mango mousse. I'm just going to fold it, and honestly, it's ready, you know, it's just ready. I'm just going to fold a bit, and that's it. It's done. It's beautiful. It's nice, creamy, and you can just put a lid on it and refrigerate it. If you want, you can put in multiple cups or glasses, so individually your guests can have it, or you can just put this in a tin foil tray for your party, and that's about it. This recipe has been viewed by more than 30,000 people on my blog. You can follow my blog, that's www.kirtiskitchenkatta.com, and the entire recipe is there on my blog. The detailed recipe is on my blog. I'm going to put the link for my blog just in the description box below, and I'm going to show you how do I decorate it or garnish it, and then you can do the same thing again. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to kirtiskitchenkatta.com. Be safe and enjoy this summer, and just follow the CDC guidelines, and you take care. So to begin with, I'm just taking the pulp which we had kept, and I'm just going to spread it like this. You can make use of cream also, since we are getting fresh mango right now. So I'm just going to putting a few mango pieces, and I'm going to take the mousse. You can see how creamy it has become now. Just pour. It is going to take shape of the glass. Just pour it, and you can put more mango pieces on it. There is one more thing I usually do. I just put the pulp like this and take a toothpick and just spread it. Also, I just put a small umbrella. Since we are in summer, this looks perfect, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks from outside. You can make use of any disposable cup which you have it in the house. So, and you can just put a plastic wrap on this or on the disposable cup which you are going to use for your party, and keep it in the refrigerator. Once your guests are there, you can just take this out from the refrigerator and serve it. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you visit my blog also.